Hello everyone, welcome to day 7 of our lesson, Speak English in a Better Way, in just 10 days. By following some conditions, you also get a chance to take free spoken English classes with me for 1 month. If you haven't gone through earlier lessons of this exercise, so I would suggest you to first look into it before you start with this lesson. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe my channel. So all you need to do is follow these 4 simple steps to speak English in a better way. Please go through these instructions carefully, and if you have any confusion, then please refer to the first part or leave a comment below. Remember that you have to follow this exercise for 10 complete days for better command on your English spoken. So let's begin and read the passage carefully and record it to complete first step successfully. After you have recorded your audio, it's time for you to listen my audio. So here's my audio.
There is a constant dilemma and debate both within and outside the disabled community where the term disabled itself brings in a lot of negative connotations with it. Because by labeling someone as disabled, we are assuming right away that the person is incapable. A lot of handicapped people often take offense when the society at large uses this word to address them. The term differently abled was first proposed in the 1980s as an alternative to disabled, handicapped, etc. on the grounds that it gave a more positive message and so avoided discrimination towards people with disabilities. They prefer to be called differently abled because if, for example, on the one hand one was visually impaired, on the other hand one also had a developed sensory capability. Even if one was wheelchair bound, there were no limitations to his or her imaginative thinking, creative abilities and ingenuity. While both these thought processes are worthy of respect and consideration, I personally feel it is not either or but a combination. To me, the fact of the matter is that a wheelchair bound person cannot move around with as much freedom, and the hearing impaired cannot hear what people around him are discussing. At the same time, though there are limitations, those can be conquered by other extraordinary capabilities of such people.
After listening my audio, listen to yours as well. Repeat this listening exercise for 3, 5 or 7 times depending on your level of understanding. Now it's time for you to record your audio again and make a comparison between your first audio and the audio that you recorded right now. Follow this exercise for 10 complete days to improve your spoken English. Now coming to the giveaway conditions that you need to follow to get free 1 month spoken English classes with me. Read them carefully, and if you have any confusion, leave a comment below. Results will be announced on 9th of August. Classes for the selected candidates will begin from 10th August. This was all about our today's lesson. Do let us know if you liked this video in the comments below. If the video was helpful, please like it and make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.